Lakshmi Kitchen, located at Wahengbam Likai in Imphal, serves the best Manipuri thali. Tourists from across the country thronged at the restaurant to taste the most popular Manipuri cuisine. We have a report. Manipuri cuisine has so far attracted food lovers from across the country, giving them a taste of local food. Manipuri or Meitei food thali includes na atoiba thongba fish stew, na matung thongba fried fish with light gravy, garingkha angoba fish intestine fried with potatoes, peas, etc. as main non-vegetable dishes. Lakshmi Kitchen in Imphal, apart from serving non-veg thali, have been also serving 13 varieties of Manipuri delicacies, including sana thongba, spicy cottage cheese preparation, uti thongba, a popular Manipuri green lentil peas preparation that's cooked over low flame with various herbs, pakora thongba, a delicate Manipuri curry that's prepared in gram flour, and much more.
Actually, the fish is 140 and veg also 140 same rate. They give me feedback nicely. They tell the food is good and the taste and the place is clean and they told me.
I wanted to understand what is Manipuri culture and Manipuri food. So I came here. Someone told me that, if you want to have perfect Manipuri food and you want to understand their thali, you must visit this place. So since then, whenever I visit this place, at least I make it a point to come once and I try to eat this. Because this is a real culture and a very different food which you don't get any part of India.
Manipuri primarily cook vegetables, with fish being their complementary food besides the vegetables. Usage of less oil has been in vogue since the olden times, and one visiting the Manipur rural areas are sure to experience the taste of oilless food in Lakshmi Kitchen. Ngari is a type of fermented fish which carries a very strong smell and is loved immensely by the locals. This item is used in a lot of dishes prepared here in the kitchen.
बैंगलोर में वैसा नहीं है और वहाँ पे भी राइस है, स्टेबल फूड राइस है. Fish is good. We finished all the fish, so it was nice.
Herbs and spices forms a very important part of Manipuri cuisine. Since they primarily have their food boiled, thus it is only these herbs and aroma giving spices that do the wonder of giving the food its required essence. The ingredients of Manipuri cuisines is mainly chili and pepper, thus making it devoid of any other form of masalas, thus rendering food organic and very healthy. They also do not use oil, which is indeed a very positive effect on the body.
अभी दूसरा बार आ रहा हूँ. अच्छा होटल अच्छा है ना, थोड़ा खाना भी अच्छा मिलता है. मणिपुर का ये इधर का स्टाइल है ना, वो अच्छा लगता है और खाने में भी ये खाता है ना लोग.
India's northeast is an exciting melange of various tribes and cultures. So is their flavors and dishes, which is as unique as their colorful way of life, and Imphal's Lakshmi Kitchen set a great example for food lovers.